Now, in just a few hours from now, there's going to be a president's banquet. This is in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, hosted for the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now, here's a news break that's coming in that's going to trigger a political showdown in India. Reportedly, there's been no invite extended to Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, or for that matter, the Congress president and the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gandhi, Kharge have not been invited. Reportedly, however, what's interesting is that Shashi Tharoor of the Congress has been extended an invite for this formal dinner that will be taking place in a few hours from now. Mind you, this comes just about 48 hours after Rahul Gandhi had accused the government of breaking tradition, saying opposition leaders aren't given a chance to meet with any of these foreign dignitaries, saying why is there no meeting between opposition leaders and the Russian president. Now, after that, the MEA had clarified and given instances where there were such meetings that had happened. But in this particular case, where there is a formal dinner, no invite has been extended to Rahul Gandhi, no invite has been extended to Mallikarjun Kharge. Instead, guess what? Who's found their name in the invite list? It's Shashi Tharoor. This, no doubt, is going to spark a huge controversy. It's going to become a big talking point because remember, the only leader who's been invited, Shashi Tharoor, is someone who's been rather critical of the Congress, and there's been endless talk and questions and speculation on whether he's going to switch over and join hands with the BJP. Amid all of that speculation, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, who are considered to be the faces of the Congress, not invited. Instead, Shashi Tharoor is. Maushmi Singh is joining us with more details on this. Maushmi, any reaction that's coming from the Congress on this? Can you confirm whether Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge haven't received an invite?
That's right, Akshita. Our sources tell us that Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, in fact, no top brass of the Congress party, has received an invite for the dinner at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. And this is after we saw how Rahul Gandhi launched a tirade saying that the government was targeting the LOP and telling dignitaries and, in fact, the countries he was visiting that they should not meet the LOP. So clearly, and that had stirred a hornet's nest with the BJP slamming Rahul Gandhi's childish accusations. But what we are told is that we've also learned that Shashi Tharoor has got that invite. So Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has been called. We know that he was heading the delegation to US after post-Operation Sindoor, when multiple delegations, parliamentary delegations, had gone across the globe.